Hey there, and welcome back to Medifit Mosaic. If you have been feeling sluggish, tired, or low on energy, it could be a sign that your liver needs some extra attention and care. The liver is the one of the most important organs in your body, responsible for keeping you healthy by filtering out toxins. And when it is not functioning at its best, you can feel the effect in every part of your day. But don't worry, there are simple natural steps that you can take to detox your liver, boost your energy levels, and restore your vitality. In today's video, I will be sharing easy, actionable tips that you can start implementing today to give your liver the support it needs. Let us dive in. Before we get into the steps for detoxing your liver, it is important to understand just how vital this powerhouse organ is. The liver is your body's primary detoxification center. It processes everything you consume, from the food you eat to the liquid you drink, and works around the clock to filter out toxins, waste products, and other harmful substances. Think of the liver as your body's internal cleaning system. It performs more than 500 essential functions, including producing bile to aid digestion, breaking down toxins, regulating your metabolism, storing vitamins and minerals, and even balancing hormones. But here is the thing, when your liver becomes overburdened with the toxins, whether from processed foods, alcohol, medication, or environmental pollutants, it can't perform optimally. Over time, this overload can lead to symptoms like fatigue, digestive issues, brain fog, skin problems, and even a weakened immune system. The good news is that by making a few simple lifestyle changes, you can help lighten the load on your liver, allowing it to work more efficiently and restoring your energy and vitality. Step number one is to drink plenty of water. Step number one is perhaps the simplest but one of the most important. Drink plenty of water. Hydration is key to supporting liver function, as water helps flush out toxins and waste products, reducing the burden on your liver. By staying hydrated, you are allowing your liver to filter out toxins more efficiently, which can have an immediate effect on your energy levels and overall health. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day, and even more if you are physically active or living in hot climate. If you are looking for a way to take hydration to the next level, try starting your day with a glass of warm water with lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants which support liver function by boosting bile production, aiding digestion, and enhancing your liver's ability to detoxify. Plus, it is a refreshing way to kickstart your hydration routine in the morning. Step number 2, focus on eating a balanced diet. Your liver requires a variety of essential nutrients to function at its best. By fueling your body with right foods, you are giving your liver the support it needs to detoxify and cleanse your system. Start by prioritizing whole unprocessed food that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining liver health and enhancing its detoxification processes. Load upon fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains. Certain foods are particularly beneficial for your liver. For example, leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in chlorophyll, which helps neutralize toxins and reduce the workload on your liver. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are also excellent choices because they contain compounds that support your liver's detoxification enzymes, helping your liver process and eliminate toxins more effectively. Fruits like berries, grapefruit, and apples are packed with antioxidants, which protect your liver cells from damage. Additionally, garlic and onions are rich in sulfur compounds, which activate liver enzymes responsible for detoxification. Don't forget about healthy fats from the sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oils. These fats help reduce inflammation and promote overall liver function. Now, let us talk about step number 3, avoid toxins. One of the best ways to support your liver is by reducing your exposure to toxins in the first place. This includes limiting your intake of processed foods, refined sugars, and alcohol, all of which can contribute to liver inflammation and damage. Alcohol, in particular, is a major toxin that your liver has to work overtime to process. Drinking too much alcohol can lead to fatty liver disease and, over time, permanent liver damage. If you drink alcohol, it is important to do so in moderation. The CDC defines moderate drinking as up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. But it is not just about what you consume. Being mindful to the chemicals in your environment is equally important. Opt for natural non-toxic cleaning products, reduce your use of unnecessary medications, and choose organic produce when possible to avoid exposure to harmful pesticides and environmental pollutants. Small changes like these can lighten the toxic load on your liver and improve its ability to detoxify. Step number 4 is a game changer for both your liver health and your overall well being. Exercise regularly. Physical activity isn't just about keeping your heart and muscles strong, it is also vital for maintaining a healthy liver. Regular exercise helps prevent non alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is often linked to obesity and insulin resistance. Exercise helps improve blood circulation, which allows your liver to process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. It also helps you maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial for liver health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming are excellent for your liver. And don't forget to include strength training exercises at least twice a week to build muscles and boost your metabolism. Even simple activities like gardening, yoga, or going for a daily walk can have a significant impact on your liver's ability to function optimally. Step number 5 might just surprise you. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for your body's ability to repair and detoxify, and this includes your liver. While you are sleeping, your body works hard to perform maintenance processes that supports your liver in cleaning toxins and repairing any changes. Sleep is when your liver gets a much needed break from processing everything you have consumed throughout the day. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation can help you wind down and ensure you get the restorative sleep your liver needs. Step number 6 involves liver supporting supplements. While maintaining a balanced diet provides most of the nutrients your liver needs, certain supplements can offer additional support to boost liver function. Milk thistle is one of the most popular and widely studied herb for liver health. It contains silymarin, a powerful antioxidant that helps repair liver cells and reduce inflammation. It is often used to support liver function, particularly in cases of liver damage caused by toxins or alcohol. Another fantastic option is turmeric, which has anti inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric helps protect liver cells from damage and support overall liver health. Lastly, dandelion root is a supplement that promotes bile production and supports digestion, helping your liver eliminate toxins more effectively. Remember, it is always important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements to ensure they are right for your individual needs. Step number 7 is practice intermittent fasting. Step number 7 is a powerful tool for giving your liver a break. Practice intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting allows your liver to focus on detoxification and cellular repair rather than constantly processing food. By extending the period between meals, you give your liver more time to break down stored fats and eliminate toxins. There are several popular methods of intermittent fasting, including the 16 by 8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5 is to 2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict your calorie intake on 2 non consecutive days. Choose a method that works best for you, and always consult with healthcare professional if you have any medical condition. And there you have it. By following these simple yet effective steps, you can support your liver's natural detoxification processes and experience enhanced energy and vitality. Remember, a healthy liver is key to your overall well being. So be sure to stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, avoid toxins, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, consider liver supporting supplements, and try intermittent fasting. Small changes can lead to big improvements in your health. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Take care and give your liver the love it deserves.